This is One on One. We are, in fact, talking to Dr. Thomas Bauer, who is Clinical Medical Director, Oncology, Hackensack Meridian Health. We're here, Doctor, at the Celebrating Life and Liberty event at MetLife Stadium. It's a big event because?
It's a celebration of life. We all go through different challenges, and those challenges present an opportunity to accomplish something. And for all of these patients that are here, it's their battle with cancer. It's a tribute to them. It's a celebration of life. It's an acknowledgement of everything that they, as well as their families, have been through. It's an honor and a privilege to be part of the healthcare team that takes care of them. As a thoracic surgeon, I see the insides of people, and I see the outside of them, and I see their families and everything that they go through. And to be part of that, in a way, this is everyone standing at the finish line as someone finishes a marathon, or having done 2 Ironman triathlons myself. To cross that finish line is an acknowledgement and that you've conquered all the pain that you've endured during that race. And so it's a fun celebration for these patients and for the caregivers that have helped them along that journey.
I know this is personal for you as well. You talked about your dad, a surgeon?
Yeah, my dad's a surgeon, so I grew up from age 6 making rounds with him in the hospital. And what inspired me the most was to be in the mall and someone come up to my dad and thank him and give him a hug and then look at me and say, "Do you know what your father did?" And that really inspired myself to go into surgery, my brother to go into surgery, and my sister to actually go into pediatrics. And so I saw the impact that he had in people and wanted to try to the best of my ability to do the same. And so and for my dad, he had a melanoma, fought through that and won. My mom had ovarian cancer, fought through that and won. So the idea that it's not just a disease, but it's a patient that is getting treated with a family, I think really helps us as caregivers at Hackensack Meridian Health to be empathetic towards our patients, to know what they're going through and to treat them and the entirety of them, not just provide excellent cancer care for them.
Final question. Again, sound checks going on around us, getting ready for this big event. There's going to be a lot of people on this field here at MetLife Stadium for the Celebrating Life and Liberty event. Finally, how hopeful are you about the new treatments for cancer patients?
The new treatments we have, every week there's something new that comes out. All of the robotic therapies that we use to treat our patients with surgery less invasively never existed 10 years ago and are 10 times better than they were 5 years ago. So the things that we're going to have surgically, the way we're changing our radiation changes every month. And every week we have new therapies that we can offer our patients. And so what was standard 5 years ago is no longer, and what we will be doing next month doesn't exist today. So it's a great time to be in medicine and cancer care especially.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bauer.
Thank you, Steve.
One on One with Steve Adubato has been a production of the Caucus Educational Corporation. Funding has been provided by the Russell Berry Foundation, NJIT, the Northward Center, MD Advantage Insurance Company of New Jersey, the New Jersey Education Association, Englewood Health, and by Community Food Bank of New Jersey. Promotional support provided by Commerce and Industry Association of New Jersey and by Jaffe Communications. Transportation provided by Airbrook Limousine, serving the metropolitan New York, New Jersey area.